Hi guys, this is Michael, and this is another Pinoy unboxing episode. And today we're going to unbox something from Western Digital. Alright, so this one is Western Digital My Passport. It's a 1 terabyte external drive, and it's a USB 3.0, and that's gonna be 1 terabyte, a black colored Western Digital My Passport. Okay, so this is the box at the front, and then you should be able to see the 1 terabyte name here, and then the Western Digital My Passport, and also at the sides, and also the description at the back with all the specs and everything. Okay, so probably we'll just go ahead and unbox this one, and I need a box cutter. Okay, so okay, here we'll just go ahead and unbox this external drive. The reason that I bought this drive is that I am downloading a lot of movies from the net, and I don't have any more space on my laptop here at the back, so I need external storage. This is quite tricky though. Okay, hold on. Okay, so by the way guys, by the time that I purchased this Western Digital My Passport, I got a freebie from Western Digital, which is the Western Digital Nomad Rugged Case. This is a freebie from Western Digital, but every time you purchase a Western Digital My Passport. And this Nomad case is built for rugged situations, wherein this is a shock resistant case, water resistant, and dust resistant case. So I'll be making another unboxing video for this one probably by tomorrow, and have it posted in YouTube as well. Okay, so anyway, let's go back to the unboxing of this My Passport. I'll just have to pull out this one. Why is it? It's kind of tricky. Hold on. You might have to destroy the box, I believe so. Or okay. Here you go. Okay then. So as you can see, there's a cable, the USB cable here, and then the actual drive itself. Let's go ahead and open this. Alright, here we go. So this is the actual drive, and then I like the design here at the front, and this is at the back as well. And also for the sides, I like the very simple design for this 1 terabyte My Passport drive. And of course, this is the port for the USB. Also, this is the USB cable for the hard drive, and this is, I believe so, the warranty information card and the rest of the instructions for the manual. So that's it. So by the way guys, by the time that I purchased as well this one, they gave me a Western Digital pouch, and this is a freebie as well, together with this Western Digital Nomad case. So probably later on, probably by tomorrow, I'll go ahead and make an unboxing video for this one. And as you can see at the back, I have like a Ducky Shine 3 keyboards, and then a CM Storm mechanical keyboard, Cooler Master trigger, and Alienware TACX keyboards. I'll be unboxing this keyboards on my next videos. Again guys, this should be the end of my unboxing video, and this is again the unboxing video of Western Digital My Passport 1TB 2.5 inch external drive from Western Digital. So anyway guys, should you want to subscribe, just go ahead and go to www.pinoyunboxing.com, and you will be able to see a lot of posts from our fellow Pinoy unboxers, and not only computer components or peripherals or computer parts, but also on like foods and other stuffs as well, like shoes and the rest. So anyway guys, this is Michael, and thank you very much for tuning here in PinoyUnboxing.com, and I hope to see you soon with the unboxing of the rest of the stuffs here at the back. Okay, thank you very much, and have a great day.